Uh, I just had a good meal and came onto the mat to do one asana. You might be thinking now, is this guy gone mad or what? He's telling he had a good meal and he's also telling that he's going to do yoga now. Am I right? To know the reason behind it, you need to wait for some more time. So, that is today's topic. So, there are lakhs of asanas in yoga, among which there is only one asana which can be done after having a meal, because when we do this asana it helps our digestive system to work more efficiently. So first I will do this asana, and in that, after getting into the asana, I will tell more about the asana. So as most of you know, for doing this asana we need to fold our legs in this way and sit in this manner. I will also show you the asana in the back angle. So you need to sit on your heels like this, uh, by joining your toes and your heels are apart. Your buttocks should be exactly placed on your heels. So this is the right way to do the Vajrasana. Few people might be doing like this or in a different manner. So this is the right way. So all these days, if you might be doing the mistakes, you can correct it. So coming back to the information about this asana, whenever we do this asana, we are trying to restrict the blood flow in the lower portion of the body. When we sit like this, the blood flow will be restricted, so that the blood flow is going to completely flow in the digestive system, in the stomach region, so that it is going to digest the food more faster. So that's why after having especially your dinner, when you're having very less time between your dinner and your sleep, you can use this asana to increase your digestive power. So coming to the people who are not even able to sit in this asana for just 10 seconds. So basically there are three main reasons for people who can't sit in this asana. The reason number one is they are going to get severe pain in the ankle. The reason two is they are going to get pain in their knee. The reason number three is they are going to get pain behind the knee. So I'm going to address these three problems. So the first problem for the people who are getting ankle pain, so they can take a pillow like this and place the pillow below their ankles and relax like this. In this way, you can avoid your ankle pain and sit in Vajrasana for little more time. And coming to the people who are suffering with the knee pain, they can place the pillow below their knees and sit like this. This is going to keep your knees safe, and it is going to avoid any kind of knee pain which you are getting in the Vajrasana. And coming to the third category of people who are getting pain behind the knee, they can take the pillow and place it like this on their calf muscle and bring the pillow as close as possible and sit down onto the pillow. Even this is going to avoid this particular pain. Now you might be asking, sir, I'm getting the pain in my ankle as well as my knee. What should I do then? Then you can keep a pillow below your ankle and below your knees. In that way, you can avoid both the pains. In the same way, if you are getting any two pains, or if you're feeling pain in your ankle, knee, and also in the back portion of your knee, you can use three pillows, one under the ankle, one under the knee, and one in between your leg, above your calf muscle. In this way, you can avoid the pain, and even the people who are suffering with the knee pain can easily do the Vajrasana like this. Many of my students keep saying that they're able to do this asana, but they are not able to sit in this asana for a long period of time. For them, or if even you are facing the same problem, I would suggest that initially start with 1 minute or 2 minute. Even though if you are getting pain in your ankle, try to bear it. Stay there in the asana for some more time. Eventually take it till 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Like that, you need to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, just like you are meditating. You need to sit in this asana. You can do other activities also, but it is better recommended to do meditation in this asana. So this is today's video, guys. Hope it was helpful, especially for the people who keep on complaining that I'm suffering with knee pains. How can I do Vajrasana? I hope it has added some value to you. Let's meet again in the next video with another beautiful topic. Until then, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.